Okay. Nobody wants it. So I kept everything. Any activity at all, any pep rally, any assembly, all 100% of purchase orders is building good for me. 100% of building permits. Okay. On top of all the discipline and 20% of all the discipline. So they gave me the, because we go by grade level, rotate every, so they gave me the class instructors. Okay. And it's the same thing, you know. The principals with that experience on the smaller classes, it's the biggest class in building too, the smaller classes, and the classes that weren't 20% special ed. And they're not doing activities.
Right.
They've got.
That's because
It's a lot of fucking food. What kind of soup is that?
Garden vegetable.
Ah.
And that's exciting.
I love the guy with the big ass snowplow. Look at him. He's the man.
You're right. You're not rewarded.
It's all about how you reward people.
Right. There's no financial reward. It's reward for duties.
For lack thereof.
Right. And it's 224 days.
I've never seen a snowplow like this before. Me neither. I know they have them, but
Hopefully I'll get it on.
look at him. He's afraid if he's gonna hit something. I mean, it's a badass snowplow.
Oh yeah, that's